Hello students, welcome back to my lectures of class 12 physics. We are studying our chapter current electricity, and here in this video we will study about the resistivity. Okay, in the previous video we have seen about the term which is resistance. Okay, and we got the formula that R is equals to ml by ne square a tau, where m is the mass of the electron, L is the length of the conductor, N is the electron density, E is the charge, A is the area of cross section and tau is the relaxation time. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास निकल के आता है that R is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. जितना हम लेंथ को बढ़ाएंगे उतना ही वहां पर कंडक्टर का रेजिस्टेंस भी बढ़ेगा. In the same way we have R is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. मतलब जितना ज्यादा area of cross section होगा उतना रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा. So we are using these two parameters, and when we will combine both of this, I will get R is proportional to L by A. Okay, now here it is proportionate sign. Now I have to remove this proportionate sign. Okay, so I can write R is equals to rho L by A. Here this rho is proportionality constant. Okay, and this rho is called as the resistivity, or it is also called as specific resistance. So here we got the term specific resistance or the resistivity, that is rho. It is pronounced as rho. Okay, now here I can write from this equation rho is equals to RA by L. Okay, this is how we can find the resistivity of any material having the resistance R, having the area A and length L. Okay, here now if I want to find the unit of resistivity, then how I can find the unit of resistivity? This unit here, this unit of resistance R, that is ohm, area that is meter square, and length that is meter. Meter gets cancelled, so it is ohm meter. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Now can we find the dimensional formula of this resistivity? Yes, how we can find? We have this unit ohm meter. Okay, now if you know the dimensional formula of this ohm, that is the resistance, then you can write it directly. Otherwise you have to start from the formula V is equals to IR. Okay, so here R is equals to V by I, तो मैं यहाँ पर formula लिखूंगा V by I into meter. I can write it directly as it is. Okay, now V by I, that is voltage. Can I write this V is equals to ED, and this current I can write Q by T into meter. Okay, now here I am writing it in the terms of formulas, and here I am writing it in the terms of unit, because I have to write it also in the terms of units. यहाँ पर E क्या है? E is equals to, we have F equals to QE, so I can write E is equals to F by Q, so I can write F by Q into D upon Q by T. T मैं यहाँ पर लिख सकता हूँ into meter. Now I can write dimensional formula for all of this. Force, that is mLT minus 2, D that is length into time T into meter again length divided by Q square, that is AT square, A square T square. Okay, now here I can write here this M, and here L, that is L cube, here T raised to power 2, T raised to power minus 2, it will be raised to power minus 4, minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, and A minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of resistivity. Okay, now we have the unit of this resistivity, that is ohm meter. Now if I want to define the resistivity 1 ohm meter, then how can I define it? I can define it by this formula, that is rho is equals to RA by L. So I will give this formula as equation number 3. So I can write using equation 3. Okay, in that equation 3, if I keep length is equals to 1 meter, अगर हमारे पास एक कंडक्टर है इसका लेंथ कितना है 1 meter, and the area of cross section that is equals to 1 meter square. यहाँ पर क्या है, जो लेंथ है कितना लेंगे उसको 1 meter, and area I will keep it as 1 meter square. In that case I can write this rho is equals to R. In that case I can write this rho is equals to R, because L will be also equals to 1 and A will be also equals to 1. अब यहाँ पर क्या है, this rho is equals to R. तो यहाँ पर इस स्टेटमेंट से हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि 1 ohm मीटर या फिर रेजिस्टिविटी क्या होगी. Okay, so here I can define this resistivity is equals to the resistance of the conductor of unit length having an area of cross section 1 meter square, that is called as the resistivity. तो यहाँ पर resistivity क्या है? ये resistance के इक्वल ही है जो यहाँ पर आया, लेकिन वो resistance किसका? उस कंडक्टर का जिसकी लेंथ कितनी हो 1 मीटर और उसका एरिया कितना हो गया 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. Okay, so this was the definition of the resistivity. Now we have the formula that R is equals to ml by ne square a tau. Okay, and here I can write this R is equals to m by ne square tau into L by a. Let me give this as equation number 4. Okay, now I will use this equation number 3. In this equation number 3, I will write this in terms of the resistance R. Okay, so how I can write? I can write this R is equals to rho L by A. Okay, and this is equation number 5. Now here we can compare equation number 4 and 5. So comparing equation 4 and 5. Here we have R. Here we have L by A. So the remaining term will be the resistivity rho. So I can write this rho is equals to m by ne square tau. So we get the another formula of resistivity rho, which is in terms of the mass of electron, electron density, charge on electron, and the relaxation time tau. Okay, now here from this we can find the dependency of this resistance on the parameters. मतलब यहाँ पर जो resistivity है वो किन parameters पर depend करता है. Okay, so here this resistivity that depends upon the electron density, means rho is equals to 1 by n. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, it depends upon the nature of material. Okay, it means कि जो nature होगा उस कंडक्टर का उस पर डिपेंड करेगी दिस रेजिस्टिविटी, एंड ऑल्सो दिस रो डिपेंड्स अपॉन दी रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. और ये रिलैक्सेशन टाइम इनडायरेक्टली किस पर डिपेंड करता है? दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन दी टेम्परेचर. मतलब यहाँ पर जो रेजिस्टिविटी है that depends upon the two parameters, that is on the temperature and also on the electron density. Okay, now here हमने देखा कि rho is equals to R A by L. मतलब इस फॉर्मूला से हम देखें कि अगर हम एरिया और लेंथ को चेंज करेंगे तो रेजिस्टिविटी भी चेंज होगी, बट इट इज नॉट ट्रू बिकॉज रेजिस्टिविटी इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मटेरियल. Okay, and that property does not changes when we changes the length or the area. So it is a very important point. Sometimes in exam there will be a question that if the length and area of the conductor is getting changed, then in that case the resistivity will be same. The resistivity does not changes. It is the property of the material. Okay, now here we have two different things. One is resistance and the second is the resistivity. Resistance we can say it is the property of that object. जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या हो जाएगी? रेजिस्टेंस. बट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दैट मटेरियल जिससे वो ऑब्जेक्ट बना हुआ है, दैट प्रॉपर्टी विल बी कॉल्ड एज द रेजिस्टिविटी. So there's a difference between resistance and the resistivity. Resistance is the property of the object and resistivity is the property of the material by which that object is formed. Okay, so this is what the resistivity is, which depends upon the nature of the material and on the temperature. Now here how it depends upon the temperature, we have a simple formula. जैसा हमने देखा था कि टेम्परेचर पे रेजिस्टेंस की डिपेंडेंसी क्या होती है, हियर वी हैव द सेम फॉर्मूला. वहां पर जहां पर हमने रेजिस्टेंस यूज किया था यहाँ पर वही चीज क्या हो जाएगी? रेजिस्टिविटी. बिकॉज हियर वी कैन सी दिस रो इज इक्वल्स टू आर. तो जहां पर रेजिस्टेंस लिखा हुआ था वहां पर हम क्या लिख देंगे? वी विल राइट इट एज दी रो, दैट इज दी रेजिस्टिविटी. सो हमारे पास क्या फॉर्मूला था? आर इज इक्वल्स टू आर नॉट 1 प्लस अल्फा डेल्टा टी. This was the formula. That is the resistance at any temperature where we have to find the resistance. R naught, the resistance at 0 degree Celsius. Alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistance and T is the temperature. Delta T is the change in the temperature. तो इसी को अगर हमको लिखना है in terms of resistivity, because we have seen that resistivity also depends upon the temperature. यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं हम rho is equals to rho naught 1 plus alpha delta T. This is what the dependency of resistivity on the temperature is. Here rho is the resistivity at some temperature where we have to find its resistivity. Rho naught, that is the resistivity at 0 degree Celsius. Alpha, it will be here the temperature coefficient of resistivity. यहाँ पर क्या था? ये temperature coefficient of resistance था, because we were writing it in terms of the resistance, and here it will be that in terms of the temperature coefficient of resistivity, and this delta T is the temperature difference. Okay, so whatever we have studied in case of the resistance, that how it depends upon the temperature, the same thing is here in case of resistivity also. और यहाँ पर भी हम define कर सकते हैं अल्फा को by taking all the parameters on the one side. So how we can define this temperature coefficient of resistance? It is equals to the change in the resistivity per unit original resistivity per degree rise in temperature. That's how we can define the temperature coefficient of resistivity. So this is all about the resistivity of a conductor.